Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back at one of my favorite places on earth, Copart Auto Auctions here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I have kind of wandered onto the other side of the yard. They have semis, trailers, RVs back in the distance there. All kinds of cars and trucks, everything you can imagine, and probably something you would like to have sitting in your driveway right there. It's a hot day. I had to take off my jacket. Yeah, it's going to be a great day. I'm going to check out some of the cool cars here and show you how you can put them in your own garage, starting with a pretty cool car that's right here to my right. Here we go, 2010 Hyundai Genesis with a bit of a overbite. No, I'm kidding. She just ran into something right there and may have, oh, I'm just now looking. Okay, well, we've unplugged something right there. I don't know what's supposed to be there. There's a couple of wires hanging down. I don't think it's going to be anything serious. I think this is a drive. We're going to find out for sure in just a minute. But it's a good looking car. I like black. I really do. The wheels look nice. As far as damage, nothing. Yeah, just on the front. So you need a bumper and a little grill insert and whatever electrical went underneath. This is in really good shape. 126,160 miles. Let's see what she smells like. Give her a sniff test. She smells pretty good. She smells like a car that's been locked up for a while. Do we have any? Yeah. As far as the interior goes, she looks good. She really does. I don't see much damage here either. The seats are comfortable. This is nice. This is kind of nice how it overlaps right here. You get, I guess this is leather, perhaps. This was the best that Hyundai offered back in the day. And I think it's a really, really nice vehicle. Lexicon speakers. As far as the engine goes, I can't see it. Look at all the covers. Everything is covered up. Wow. Okay. Well, there's where you check your oil. All of the good stuff is covered up. Holy moly. Look at this. Are these fuses in here? Yep, there's some of your fuses and relays right there. Okay, we'll put that back where it goes. On the other side right there, airbox, and I guess some more fuses on that side. Boy, you really cannot see the engine. That's really bizarre. What's under here? Oh, here's your jump point for your battery if you want to jump it. Okay. Boy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This, we need a key, right? It's probably, yep. All right, well, let's see if she'll start. Let's just kind of see what's happening here. All right. Let's give her a push and a prayer. And she's alive. Okay. ABS light, that may go off. Door, look how this kind of floats in the steering, in the instrument cluster right there, right above the steering wheel. The gauges kind of float. That's a nice touch. What's the engine trying to do? We're getting a check engine light right there. Heated and cooled seats right here. Everything you can need here. Touch screen. I know all the windows are going to work. Yeah, everything. It's just there's a weird little vibration in the engine. Yeah, I don't want to damage anything, so it's kind of evening out a little bit right here. We'll show you. Here's the exhaust sound. That's bizarre. As far as the engine, she's vibrating a little bit right here, so that's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know about this car. I don't know. That's probably why it's here. lost type front end, not mechanical, front end. So it's just this that's causing problems. So maybe something down there was costly, and that's why they sent this to the auction. Easy fix, although it's a weird sound. It's a weird smell and a weird sound. So we'll turn this off, and I think we're going to keep looking. I do love the instrument cluster though. That's nice. That is really cool. All right, how about a gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, 2018 Chrysler 300. As you can see, S right there. I love this color. I love it. I love the bumper. I love the headlights, and check out the wheels. This car, you can tell by looking at it, it's going to be loaded. And I haven't peeked inside. I haven't done a walk around really. I saw it. Check rear body panel. Okay, we will, because we have a little squiggly mark and a question mark right there. You need a bumper, a rear bumper, and that's it. Really? A bumper with parking sensors, it looks like right there. Is this even damaged? The wheel right here? No. And that tire might even inflate. I love this color. It's a silver purple, a spurple. I like it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just check out the back seat. We got, oh yeah, this is loaded. Look at the stitching. Oh my goodness. Okay. Big moonroof. 163,000 miles. And she has power. Look at this. Woo! Okay, let's give her a little push start. $300 with the purple to kind of match the spurple color outside. Blind spot alert unavailable, service required. Engine sounds really good. Park sense unavailable. Yeah, because you're missing your rear bumper there. Tire low. Yep, because it's flat. She's a smart car. She knows exactly what's wrong with her. Is that all? Is it all you got? I think so. Let's click the OK. Vehicle information. Or maybe there was more. Wait, it's 62. Oh, coolant temperature. So we're warming up. 51 degrees outside. Boy, it feels like it's 62. I love this dash. I love the instrument cluster. 84 psi oil pressure. 34% oil life left. Battery voltage 4.3, so the alternator is charging. Tire low. There we go. Oh gosh. And look, even the inside lights are purple colored. I love this. And they're listening to classic rock. This car was meant for me, baby. It really was. And beats on the speakers. Ah, this is nice. Everything's going to work because the damage is in the back. I mean, all these windows, of course they're going to work. Let's see if we can get the roof. How do you do this? Auto. Ta-da! Oh. That's fancy. That is fancy. Look at the clouds. It's a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. I mean, it's gorgeous. That is nice. I would drive this in a heartbeat. And I would drive this for a very long time. How do you do the shade? There we go. Oh, this is nice. Okay, is there a rear shade? No, I guess not. Okay. Well, what do you think about my pretty little girl here? This is nice. Look at the stitching on the seats. The inside looks new. It could use a good cleaning. She's in perfect condition. It's just you need a bumper. You really, that's all. Oil changed 159. She's got 163, so you'll need to change the oil. Valvoline. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is a beautiful car. This is really, really nice. cool sunglasses. These are like mine, the same body shape. The same shape as mine. See, look how good I look in these. That's amazing. This car was meant for me. It really was. I love these. Put them back. Okay. Back in there. What? What? 2 phones? Get out. Holy moly. Motorola and Motorola. Look at that. Ah! 2 phones. We're going to put those back because I can't do anything with those. We're going to put them right back there, and then when I buy the car, I will have 2 extra phones. What's under here? You're charging? Yep, charging port. This is nice. This is beautiful. All right, well, you are on my list, definitely. I mean, the engine is perfect. It really is. Let's see what the engine is like. There it is. This is the same engine that was in that Charger. But this one runs so much better. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. Wow. Mikey loves this. Mikey really does like this. It's time for an American car on my channel, even though I do have that F-150. Finally, I gotta tell you, when I had a Crossfire, it was one of the most popular videos on my channel. This is a 2006 Chrysler Crossfire / Mercedes SLK, because it's basically the same car, and I'll show you reasons why in just a moment. But this is exactly what I had, and it was so popular. You get a little bitty trunk area back here. The one thing I did not like about mine, and I'll show you, is it's kind of plasticky on the inside. The styling is cool if you can get over the dog taking a dump position right here that some say. It looks like a dog is taking a poo. Damage, very light. Bumper and a headlight, and you're good to go. Everything's going to be fine underneath. Tires not damaged. Your fender, there's a little dent right here, but that can be easily fixed or just avoided and ignored. This is cool. Oh, okay, I will tell you, these are difficult to find. This one is super difficult to find. Yes, because they fly off. And if you can find any laying on the road, pick them up and sell them on eBay. They are worth some money. Yeah, I tell you what, and because it's silver, it makes it look cool, but I wonder if maybe I should have painted mine. Maybe that would change the way it looks, but they did this for a reason, because it matches the door handle, obviously. Here's why I say they're cheap and plastic on the inside. Plasticky, super plasticky. Mine had broken handrails right there, and then all of this, plastic. All of that. Yeah. And this is always broken. This is a cup holder, and these are always broken, and it's in a really horrible position. That's why they're broken. This right where your elbow goes. So that's why. Okay, I don't think, is this even worth looking at? I don't know. I do kind of like it. Okay, you do need an airbag right there. She's not gonna. As far as interior space, there is a little bit of interior space. But they're kind of rattly on the inside too. They really are. They make rattles and shakes and giggles and everything. But let me show you why these are really just Mercedes SLKs. First indication right here, it's the exact same latch that you get on all the Mercedes. Second indication, look under here. There you go. Vorshit, Gordon Schukentang. Yeah, all of this is typical Mercedes. Under this cover right here, typical Mercedes. Mercedes part number. All kinds of indications, okay? Mercedes air filter, Mercedes logo right there, Mercedes part number, Mercedes power steering, reservoir, everything right there. Mercedes, 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 Mercedes. So, yeah, it's a Mercedes in Chrysler clothing. But it was a fun car. I gotta say, mine was a standard, and it was this, okay, these always break. There you go. Always. And people try to plastic weld them and all that kind of stuff, JB weld and all that. Usually doesn't work. Just get you another overflow bottle. There is very little oil. Wow. Well, that just changed my mind. There's no oil. There's nothing. So maybe the damage went further than what we can see right under there. Well, doggone it. 10 of 22. The battery's pretty new. I'm a poet and I know it. All right, well, because there's no oil, I can't turn the key, and I don't want to cause any more damage to this. But it would be a cool car to save. It was a fun car to drive if you can get over the rattles. But we're going to pass because I love that Chrysler 300S. That spurple color was gorgeous. That's going to do it for another video. A big thank you to everybody here at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, for letting me come out and kind of wander around and check out all of these really cool cars and trucks and Jeeps. Yep, right there. You can check out the cars yourself. They have public viewing days, and you can come out here, walk around, and check out the car that you might want to put in your garage, okay? Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I can barely open my eyes. The sun is coming out, and woo, these blue peepers are very sensitive to light. So, like, subscribe, comment, love, appreciate, pray for, and wish me luck on this next endeavor of my life. All right, everybody, have a great day. Make the most of it, and we'll see you again in another video very soon, okay? Bye-bye.